Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a couple of cases for your Galaxy Note 9 from 3 different companies. We got Supcase, IBlason, and Clayco. Now all of these cases you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from $12.99 to $20. Alright, so let's get started. First up, we got the Supcase Unicorn Beetle. Now this is the hybrid series. This is going to run you $12.99. Let's check this one out. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. All right. Plug it and file it. Here's your case. Now this has a transparent back. TPU style bumper. Let's check the cutouts. There's all your cutouts. All right, your buttons are recessed in. Your other button and your cutouts. And right on cue, White Shoes got the day on. You're supposed to be off, White Shoes. Scoot, scoot. All right, let's slap this one on and see what it looks like. Let's get a little wipe down. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Hybrid Series. $13. Let's check the buttons. There's your buttons. Let's see how easy you can get the S Pen out. S Pen on deck. Let's check that razivity. Nice amount of razivity. Scoot, scoot. Slam Boy certified. Now, if y'all notice, I still got my tempered glass screen protector on. So this case does work with the white stone dome. Now, let's check wireless charging. Let me grab a charger. All right, so let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Hybrid Series, $13. Let's keep it moving. Scoot, scoot. Next up, we got the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. Now this one is going to run you $20. Let's check this one out. Okay, now this is going to give you full protection. This one has a built-in screen protector. Okay, let's get that plastic wrap. Plug it and file it. Plug it and file it again. Maximum protection on this one, and you get a holster for your belt clip if y'all still rocking these. All right, so we'll slap this one on and see what it looks like. First things first, let's get this plastic out of here. Plastic struggles on deck. Rah. Okay, so we're gonna try this with the screen protector on. All right, so I got a screen protector on this. Here's your screen protector. Slap this on. Now this is if you want maximum, ultra maximum protection. Slap this in here. Okay, just like that. Just gotta work it around. Like a gentleman, of course. Get all those flaps in there. Let's get this done nice and tight. All right, there it is. All right, now this one is going to add a lot of extra thickness. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. All right, fingerprint sensor works. There's your power button. Let's see how easy we can get to that S Pen. Now let me work this around the bottom a little bit better. Okay, S Pen is in there. Let's see if we get any screen responsivity in this. It's a go. Now that's through this screen protector and my tempered glass screen protector. On the bottom, you got some flaps. One is going to cover up your micro USB charging cable. The other one is going to cover up your headphone jack. And like I said, if you want to rock the belt clip, let's slap this right on just like that. Let's see, this is 360 degree rotation. All right, so if you old school, you rock it on your waist like this. If you're new school, rock it straight up. Either way, you're going to look like a douche, but it is what it is. Your phone is maximum protection, maximum protected. Let's see if we can use this as a kickstand. No clip on this one. Let's see if we can put this in either direction. All right, so you can rock it screen out or screen in. There's your kickstand status. You see that little clip right there? Throw the screen on and rock it like this. All right, so this is your Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, maximum protection on deck. We'll slap this on one more time. There it is. I know. All right, let's keep it moving. What we got next? All right, one more thing. Now check the resivity on this one. That's maximum. I'm not going to do the slam boy test because it might just go right through the table. But let's check wireless charging. Wireless charge on deck. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, 20 bucks. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Clayco Xenon. Now this one is going to run you 15 bucks. Let's check this one out. Pluck it and file it. Another one with a built-in screen protector, but without the belt clip holster. Here's the back. Smooth matte feel to this. Oh, check this out. Carbon fiber alert. Now, of course, it's not real carbon fiber. It's just a sticker, but it looks nice. All right, so you got your carbon fiber alert on the top and the bottom. TPU style case. All right, so let's slap this one on. There's your screen protector. And we'll slap this on just like this. Same thing, you just gotta work this one around. Line everything up and slap it in. Okay, everything's on there. Let's check the button. All right, there's your button. Tempered glass still on deck. Look at that resivity. Now this is nice if you don't have to, if you don't want the full holster effect. This one is dope. Let's get a little wipe down. Check that out. No fingerprints. Let's hit that fingerprint sensor. There it is. Slam Boy certified. Stop flinching, Zerks. And let's check wireless charge. Of course, the cable just came out. All right, so I had to file Xerxes to the side. Let's check wireless charging. Wireless charge on deck. Let's keep it moving. All right, next up, we got the IBlason Aries. Now this one is gonna run you 20 bucks. Let's check this one out. Okay, here we go. Another protective style case, built-in screen protector. Back is transparent with some TPU around the sides. TPU. Let's slap this one on. Okay. Same thing. Work it around. Work it around. And you're good to go. Rah. Okay, here we go. Now this one is transparent on the back. So you're going to see that beautiful Thanos purple. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. There's your fingerprint sensor. There's your power button. All the buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Check that resivity. Slam Boy certified. All right, so let's check wireless charge. Look for that screen animation. Wireless charge on deck. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got one for the ladies. We got the IBlason Cosmo Pink. Now this one is going to run you $17.99. Let's check this one out. Okay, file that. Two-part case, built-in screen protector, but check out the back. All kind of glitter and sparkles, stars, real cute. All right, let's slap this one on. See what it looks like. Plastic, rah. Okay, there's your screen protector. TPU style case. We'll slap this one on. Ladies, y'all gonna like this one. This is nice. Look at all that glitter. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. There's your fingerprint sensor. There's your buttons. All the cutouts. Everything is in order. Look at that resivity. Slam Boy certified. Let's check wireless charge. Look for that animation. Let me move this into focus. Wireless charge. Any day now. There it goes. Wireless charge on deck. This is the Cosmo Pink. Like I said, 18 bucks. But look at that shimmeriness. All right, so we got Supcase, Clayco, and I-Blason. Everything 20 bucks and under, maximum protection. Now, on the side note, I got Spigen, UAG, VRS, Caseology, encased, some dope leather cases. We got a bunch of heavyweights coming up. I'm just waiting to get my retail version in the mail so I can show y'all some different colors. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.